Gene Malkoff here, and we're going to do our fourth installment of our maintenance video series. And actually, this is more of a how to do this kind of than a maintenance. But people tend to have questions about how to assemble a VME head. And so you get your VME head from the shop, and then you dump out all this stuff. Now the first thing you want to do is take drop in, goes in, then this small O-ring fits inside the drop in like that. Now the lens, obviously you need to peel the blue film off of both sides, but I'm just gonna not do that for this video. That fits inside just like that, all the way around. You can see that it is sitting in there like that. Then this gasket fits on top of there. Then all you do is take your head part and screw it on. Screw it down tight and everything's good to go. Now, just to test it, we'll put a couple batteries in here. This is an M61 drop in. Screw the VME head on. Ta-da!